Today, I am going to show you how to make one of Ghanaians' favorite snack, which is popcorn, and you will love every bit of this, okay? If you are new to this channel, I am Hirat and you are welcome. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and then turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients I will be using. Yellow corn kernels, and this is when you are going to buy it, just tell them you want the popcorn kernels and they will give you this one. And I have my oil here, and you can use butter as well. And next I have salt to taste because we are going to make salty popcorn here, okay? So on a medium heat, I will put on my pan, and next I am going to add oil into the pan. And as I said earlier, you can use margarine or butter. And then I will add my salt. Then add the kernels. I will give it a stir continuously till everything is well combined. So I will keep on stirring. So here I'm stirring once again. Once it starts popping, just cover it immediately, because if you delay, boom, it will hit you in the face and we don't want that. So I will cover it and give it 3 to 5 minutes for it to pop up completely. And then I will open the lid and our popcorn is ready now, guys. So we can Netflix and then chill to the max. Just see the popcorn. It is popping and casa. So just try this recipe at home and you will never be bored again, okay? So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. And please share the video for me, okay? See you in the next one. Bye.